तेलुगु वॉरियर्स के बैट्समैन के द्वारा। अश्विन बाबू आते हुए कप्तान के साथ अखिल अक्किनेनी, दो बहुत ही काबिल बैट्समैन। अश्विन बाबू को पिछले सीजन भी हमने देखा था लगातार ओपन करते हुए और तेज गति के साथ बैटिंग करते हुए। भूल नहीं सकते तमन के रूप में भी एक बहुत ही अच्छे स्ट्राइकर तेलुगु वॉरियर्स के पास मौजूद है। तमन ने पिछले सीजन एक बहुत ही तेज हाफ सेंचुरी बनाई थी और एक मैच में पंजाब ने शेर के खिलाफ उस मैच को अपने हिट में छीन लिया था। स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट की कोई कमी नहीं है।
Always saying a thing or two. Very actively involved in marshalling the troops, making sure the field is right before we get started. Here we go, first innings of the Telugu Warriors. How about that?
जो हमने आदि को भी मिलता हुआ देखा था जब तेलुगु वॉरियर्स की बॉलिंग चल रही।
He gives that a good swing. Didn't really make great contact. Opportunity for a run out. That is a thick outside edge that will run away to the boundary.
फील्ड रिस्ट्रिक्शंस का फायदा उठा रहे हैं कप्तान। लॉफ्ट किया थर्ड मैन के ऊपर से, शॉर्ट थर्ड मैन वहां पर मौजूद जरूर। अच्छा कमबैक उस बाउंड्री के बाद। अखिल अक्किनेनी अभी भी तैयार। शॉट पुल किया हुआ, ये शॉट डीप में फील्डर कोई मौजूद नहीं, एक बाउंस 4 रन। अखिल अक्किनेनी यहां पर तेलुगु वॉरियर्स की ओर इस मैच को ले जाते हुए।
They're really on to this chase, the Warriors. They haven't lost a single wicket. Akhil and Ashwin are playing some good shots. He almost didn't know where that went. He was looking behind the wicket. Instead, it just drops in front of the boundary line in the mid-wicket region. That's a good shot. Where a fielder stationed for exactly that, but it's the longer part of the ground, and so they'll have enough time to come back for 2.
बहुत अच्छी रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट। अखिल और आदर्श अपने फिटनेस लेवल को यहाँ दिखाते हुए। 4 इनिंग्स का ये गेम है जहां लगातार अपने एनर्जी को कंजर्व करके रखना जरूरी, पर इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर्मेट जहां पर अपने बैटिंग क्रम को आप रिपीट नहीं कर सकते, दोहरा नहीं सकते अपने अगले इनिंग में। सुनील राव, अच्छा स्पेल उनका। उठाकर खेला हुआ ये शॉट सीधे मौजूद लॉन्ग ऑफ के फील्डर के हाथ में, लेकिन कैच हुआ ड्रॉप। अटेम्प्ट बहुत अच्छा, 2 रन और मिल जाएंगे। एक पल के लिए यहां पर बेंगलुरु की जनता को लगा कि एक और सफलता मिल जाएगी।
Was that Manjunath, the fielder at long off? Really good effort. Oh, I think he did well. It was at a comfortable height, Savi. He was running towards his left and he put that slide forward. Just got himself into a bit of an awkward position. He did the hard job well. Wasn't able to hold on. Would have been a big one. It was the wicket. It would have been the wicket of Akhil Akineni. Turning point, you would think, in this innings.
Lovely, Sunil.
अच्छा ओवर ये सुनील राव का, लेकिन अगर वो सफलता मिल जाती, अगर वो विकेट मिल जाता तो बहुत बड़ा इनाम होता कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स के लिए, क्योंकि कैप्टन अखिल अक्किनेनी एक अच्छे टच में, अच्छे निक पे दिखते हुए।
Has been a good prospect for Karnataka. Previously, the ball is in the air for a long time, and the one bounce to the boundary. Easy pickings for Akhil Akineni. Well, Akhil, as we all are aware, is a cricketer first, and in his recent movie Majnu, when the villains come and attack him, once again
बिल्कुल उठाकर खेला बॉलर के सर के ऊपर से। एक बाउंस जरूर हुआ है, रोप से पहले तो 4 रन ही मिलेंगे, पर अखिल अक्किनेनी वो काम कर रहे हैं जो डार्लिंग कृष्णा ने किया था।
not out. Doing great work for his team. The partnership now worth of 35, just 19. High in the air. Will this be taken? No, it falls in no man's land. Another couple of runs. A wild throw comes in, but there's a good backup. So just 2 runs coming of that.
उससे कहीं ज्यादा फिटनेस सेलिब्रिटी क्रिकेट लीग में लेकर आते हुए एच एक और क्या छूटा। क्या हो रहा है यहाँ कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स के द्वारा? लगातार अखिल अकिनेनी को जीवनदान पर जीवनदान मिलते हुए।
As Joseph was mentioning earlier, catches win matches, and definitely this is another costly miss straight into the Golden Star. Ganesh, I think it is, but then missing it, and this can be very, very costly. That to the catch of Akhil Ganesh there. Golden Star Ganesh missing it.
Cricket.
What a shot! Akhil Akineni is not finished yet. The first ball going for a 6 in the 9th over. The momentum shifts towards Telugu.
I mean, the way they've played right from the beginning, Telugu Warriors, they've shown intent and they've been executing pretty well. The shots that they've played has been excellent.
Would probably do a word of good for Karnataka. It strikes it hard. May not go to the boundary, but picks up a single. One short of his 50. Telugu Warriors now trail by 24 runs with 8 balls to go.
At the start of the toss, Hakini was talking about how he takes playing Sudeep's team very seriously, and said this is one team that I always want to be careful about. But Bangalore has always been this, whether it is Australia, West Indies. When it comes to Tamil Nadu, we are a little aggressive. But whatever happens, they play some excellent cricket and they support everyone. That's Achilles 50. Though it was a airy shot, he got away with that. He's celebrating his 50. He's brought his team very much closer to Karnataka Bulldozers 113. 92 for 2 in 8.4 overs. Excellent cricket by Akhil Akineni.
Karnataka should at least try to get a lead of 10 runs at least. And this time miscuing it high in the air. Lands in no man's land, and that helping Akhil Akineni picking up the second run and celebrating in a typical cricketer style. This is not cinema style, this is a cricketer style.